Oh hey, just wrapped up a beautiful round of 18 holes here at North Ranch Country Club, but you know what's even just as good looking is my new listing over at 1646 Bluebell Court. Let's go take a look. So one of the best things about Bluebell is the location, right? So we're on a cul-de-sac right here off of Fairmount Road, and there's only 5 houses on this little cul-de-sac. Bluebell's here, 1646 is the last house, so it's a little isolated far off the entry road here. But one of the most appealing things about Bluebell is the new stacked stone that they just put in right here in the front facade of the house. From the pillars here, the exterior office, and the entire front of the property there. You got solid wood garage doors, 4-car garage, you know, just plenty of parking space. Inside Bluebell is an expansive just under 6,900 square feet of comfortable living space with an office and huge living room spaces, dining spaces, comfortable for the family during the holiday season. So one of my favorite rooms is this bonus area being used as a media room slash could be a kid's playroom. And some of the tongue and groove ceilings, rotunda style ceilings that overlooks outside the pool area. So just under a ½ acre of space back here. It's really complete privacy with majestic oak trees, really kind of sets the mood back here in the backyard. And you got a nice little platform for the kids as well. One of my favorite spaces here at Bluebell is this kitchen. I mean, I got a big family and this can handle, I think, just about anybody. It's got an enormous island here for both laying out all your food and also have an eat-in. You got plenty of storage around the island as well. You got, I think it's, I don't know how many burners you got here, plus a grill. Who needs an outdoor barbecue when you got gourmet chef style going on here? The other thing is, I think I mentioned all the custom cabinetry. You got side-by-side Sub-Zeros and full pull-out pantry drawers here as well. Makes it nice and easy to get access to everything. And lastly, of course, you got your own fireplace right here in your kitchen. I don't know how many people can say that they have fireplace in their kitchen. That's how big this kitchen is. You can eat here, you can cook here, you can relax here. And if you don't want to eat here, you got a little breakfast nook kitchenette over here as well. And while you're cleaning the kitchen or doing your dishes, you can overlook the pool and also the oak trees that are really, really nice outside. To schedule a safe private showing of 1646 Bluebell Place, feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to set that up.